Today I want to talk about goals again, but I want to talk about two types of goal. Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something on top of what we covered yesterday. Yesterday we talked about setting goals. We talked about why goal is not the thing, we will talk about precession effect, that as you move towards this goal, you become a changed person, you become a better person. That's what we talked about previously. Today I want to talk about goals again, but I want to talk about two types of goal. There are actually two main types of goal. The first type is what we call result goals. Okay, goals that is result oriented. Okay, like example, how much money you want to make through trading. This is a result goal. And in terms of process goals, the other type is what we call process goals. Is things like how many trade do you want to do each day, okay, or how many records you want to record each day. Okay, on the other hand, we can talk about result goal being like a health goal. I want to weigh a certain amount. That's a result goal. I want to weigh a certain amount. That's the result goal. But a process goal would be I want to exercise every day. I want to maybe eat better, so that eat maybe 2 meals a day. That's a process goal. So the difference between result goal and process goal is result goal is something that is out of your control. You can't control it. Okay, you can't. It's a result. Okay, but process goal is something that's within your control. You can focus on things that you can control. Because when you are focused on things that you can control, you tend to get better results also. If every day as you are doing the correct trade, every day you are eating healthily or you are exercising correctly, then you are happy. You're achieving, you're moving towards that goal. I would say that there is no right or wrong, like which is important. I think both are important. But I'm going to share just the distinction with you all is process goal you can control, result goal you can't control. Okay, you can control. In the future, I'll share with you all, like in setting goals, right? What are the result goals you set? How to make it more distinct? Okay, how to make it more accurate in your thinking, and then in process goal, how to help you that you keep yourself on track. So that's one I'll share with you all in the future. Okay.